how to convert any video into MP3 audio format using VLC. So if you want to convert any video into MP3 audio format using VLC, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your VLC media player. After opening your VLC, you just need to simply go with your media option, which will be on the top, and then go with convert and save. Now from here, you need to go with add, which will be on the right side, and then go and select your video. Now I'll just simply go and select one. Once you've selected, after that go with convert and save. Now here you just need to simply go and select convert, and then you need to go with the drop down right here and select audio MP3. Once you've selected, you need to go with the destination file where you would like to save. Like for example, I'll just simply go with the downloads folder, tap on save, and now you just need to simply go with start. Just wait for a few seconds, and if you open up your downloads, it has been saved. And if you open it, then as you can see that you will only have the audio and not the video. That's it. That's how you can convert any video into MP3 audio format. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.